guys, so we are on the trek already, and I'll tell you a very interesting thing that I just got to know about this trek. Can you see all these dry trees in the background? These are all apple trees, and क्योंकि season चला गया है, so ये सारी leaves shed हो चुकी हैं. And I'll quickly show you a tree जिसपे छोटे छोटे apples भी लगे हुए हैं. These are all dried apples. छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे कैफ़ेज़ हैं. आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगेगा आप किसी विल्डरनेस में आ गए हैं या आप कहीं ऐसी जगह आ गए जहाँ कोई भी नहीं है, लोग ही लोग हैं. Hi guys, so finally we are at a place called Kuchum. ये basically Tosh Valley trek नहीं है इस trek का नाम. It is because it is in the Tosh village. It is called Tosh Valley trek. But यहाँ पे दो और treks हैं. So at 1.5 kilometer it is this Kuchum, and again 2 hours from here it is another trek which is Kutla. So अभी हम यहाँ पर आए हैं and we are resting here for 5-10 minutes and then we will leave for Kutla. It is a 2 hours trek and then we'll be coming back and we'll be staying here at night. We just want to share a little about how it went. So we came here yesterday and we stayed in Choch village. So अगर आपको कभी भी आना है, so you can stay at Kasol or you can stay at Choch. And
you can come directly to Tosh also if you want.
Yeah, so there are many homestays, there are many small hotels, campsites where you can come and you can stay overnight, and maybe in the morning you can start with the trek. This is a very simple trek. You actually don't need a hiking expert or a guide with you, but this is a trek which, you know, where you can bring your parents.
अगर किसी को ट्रैकिंग से इंट्रोड्यूस करना है तो
this is the best trek.
They'll be like ट्रैकिंग तो बड़ी आसान होती है.
हाँ, तो उनको लगे
ट्रैकिंग में तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
हाँ, तो उनको लगेगा ट्रैकिंग ओके, लेट्स डू इट. सो आई थिंक यू कैन ब्रिंग योर पेरेंट्स हियर. मैंने पूरे ट्रैक पे एक भी मम्मी पापा नहीं देखे एंड आई रियली फील बैड अबाउट इट, क्योंकि व्हाई शुड वी हैव ऑल द फन. आई मीन पेरेंट्स भी आ सकते हैं इस ट्रैक पे,
स्पेशली इट्स एन इजी ट्रैक
एंड इट इज वेरी इजी ट्रैक. आई थिंक 1.5 hour भी नहीं, आई थिंक हमें आधा घंटा लगा है नीचे से.
आई रेड अ ब्लॉग रिटन बाय समबडी हु सेड कि भाई 4 घंटे लगे थे मुझे.
उससे 4 घंटे कैसे
लगे? 4 घंटे लगते होंगे.
इस ट्रैक में कुचुम तक तो इट्स लाइक 1 घंटे का ट्रैक. आपको रास्ते में कैफ़ेज़ मिलेंगे, आपको रास्ते में वाटरफॉल मिलेगी, आपको रास्ते में लोग मिलेंगे. आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि ये कोई ऐसे हम कोई विल्डरनेस में आ गए, ऐसे कहीं अलग जगह पर आ गए. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट एट ऑल. इट्स जस्ट अ वॉक. So parents के लिए it's a good trek if you want to introduce them to trekking.
Maki, we're saying this now, we might change our opinion at night.
Because temperatures fall. So guys, I think traveling solo is cool, but traveling with your parents is coolest thing that you can do. I think you should give them experiences like these. So I think that's it, and we will now be leaving in another 5-10 minutes to Kutla, and we will just show you how that trek looks like. वो नीचे वाली क्या जगह थी? कुचुम. So guys, हमारा टेंट नीचे कुचुम में है. So we were thinking, like I have told you, we are moving towards Kutla. लेकिन हमें कुछ लोगों ने बताया कि वहाँ रास्ते पे बहुत ज़्यादा आइस है, and it can be dangerous because it's very slippery.
And after having slept twice, हमने अपना plan
हम 2 बार फिसले, फिर हमने अपना प्लान चेंज कर दिया. So we have trekked halfway and we have reached this really cool place. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हुए हैं all across the waterfall and whatever you call it, a little stream kind of a place.
Yeah.
It is a stream kind of a place. छोटा सा waterfall भी है, and I'll show you कि हम कहाँ बैठने वाले हैं. So guys, we are going to sit there. last time you saw me vlogging was yesterday when we were at the waterfall cafe. We came back और जब तक आए थे तब तक अंधेरा हो गया था. We had a few activities arranged here like campfire, DJ, what else Jashan?
Food.
Of course, dinner. कुछ और भी किया है हमने. दम शिराज खेला है, DJ, campfire. Oh yes. We made a few friends here from all over the place. There were a few people from Delhi, few people from Mumbai. There was one guy. There were 3 people from Chandigarh. So yeah, it was a fun night. We've interacted with people, heard their stories, and I think this was a very good camping experience. Except for the temperature because it was minus 10 degrees at night and we were really skeptical whether we'll be able to sleep or not, but thankfully we were able to. So yeah, this is it.